Hello, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation guys, right? So this equation is alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and find the roots of the given equation, right? So first of all, according to given information, we can write here the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are the is the equation guys, and you can say that alpha and beta are the roots of this equation guys. So on the basis of this equation you can write here the alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, right? And product of root equal to, you can say that product of root equal to c by a, right? This is the equation guys, and you can say that this is the first equation and this is the second equation, right? And if you are having the roots of the quadratic equation, and what will be the general form on the basis of the roots of the quadratic equation guys, so you can write here the x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Product of roots is equal to 0 guys, right? And we have to find out the equation, and this is the third equation guys, and we have to find out the equation of the roots alpha plus 1 by beta. So beta and beta plus 1 by alpha, right? So first of all we have to find out what sum of roots. So what is the roots? Root is given in the question alpha plus beta guys, so we can say that alpha plus 1 by beta plus beta plus 1 by alpha, right? And after adding you will write here the alpha plus beta and plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, right? And after adding you can write alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a from equation first, so you can write minus b by a, and after solving you will you can write here the alpha beta and alpha plus beta guys. So once again you can write here the minus b by a and plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so plus sign becomes the minus, so you can write here the minus b by a and divided by alpha beta, and what will be the value of alpha beta guys? C by a, so we can write here the c by a, so a cancel out, and after taking, and you will get minus b by a and minus b by, you can write here minus b by c, right? And after taking the LCM you can write here AC, right? And you can say that minus, after taking the minus b as a common, and you can write here c plus a, right? Are you getting my points? So it will be the sum of roots, right guys? Okay, and now I am going to multiply, I am going to find out the what will be the product of roots guys. So product of root equal to, you can say the roots are alpha plus 1 by beta, and another roots is beta plus 1 by alpha, right? And once we start multiplying, and we can write alpha beta, and it will become plus 1, and it will become also plus 1, and now you can write the alpha plus beta and beta plus alpha 1 by beta into 1 by alpha, so you can write here the 1 by alpha beta, right? So this is the very simple, and alpha beta equal to, you can write here the c by a guys, and plus 2, and you can write here the 1 by c by a, right? So you can write here the c by a, so it will become a by c, right? Okay, are you getting my points guys? And after taking LCM you can write here, after taking the LCM AC, and you will get the value, c square plus 2ac plus a square, right? And you can write here the c square, c plus a whole square. You can write here the c plus a whole square, because a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, you can write here c plus a whole square, c plus a whole square divided by ac, right? Now we can put the value of sum of roots and the product of root in equation third, and you will get the equation, right? So I am going to put the values of sum of root and product of root in equation third, guys. So now I am going to put in the sum of roots and the value of the product of root in equation third, guys. So what was the sum of roots, guys? Minus b into a plus c. So first of all, x square and the value was minus b a plus c is the sum of roots, guys. So it will become the plus b into a plus c, b into a plus c by ac, right, into x, and plus you can write here the product of root, and product of roots will be a plus c whole square divided by a plus c whole square divided by ac, right? Are you getting my points, guys? And ac is equal to 0, right? And after taking LCM you will get the value ac x square plus bx into a plus c in plus a plus c whole square. So it will be the correct answer, guys. So it will be the right equation for option number first. So we are going to solve the option number second, right? So just like option number 1, similarly we have to find out the equation on the basis of the given roots, guys. The roots is alpha square plus 2 and beta square plus 2, right? So, and by using the these three equations, so first of all we have to find out the sum of the roots, and the roots will be according to the option alpha square plus 2 and beta square plus 2. So first of all we have to find out the sum of the roots, guys. So we can write here alpha square plus 2 plus beta square plus 2, right? And alpha square plus beta square we can write and plus 4, right, guys? And we know that alpha square plus beta square equal to, we can write here alpha plus beta whole square, right? And minus 2 alpha beta plus 4, right, guys? And what will be the value of alpha plus beta equal to, you can say that minus b by a. So minus becomes plus, and we can write here b square by a square minus 2 into c by a, right, and plus 4, right? Are you getting my points, guys? So it will be the sum of roots, and after taking the LCM you can write here, this is the, it will becomes, after taking LCM it will becomes the a square, and it will become b square minus 2ac and minus 4a square. So plus 4a square, right? Are you getting my points, guys? So this is the very simple, and this is the sum of roots. Now I am going to find out the product of roots, guys, right? Going to find out the product of roots, root, guys. So the product, the roots is given. What is the roots, guys? You can say that the roots is alpha square plus 2, and another root is you can say that alpha square 2, and another root is beta square plus 2, right? Beta square plus 2, and after multiplying you will get the value alpha square beta square alpha square beta square alpha square plus 2 beta square, 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square plus 4, right? 2 beta square plus 4. And according to the equations first, second, and you can put the values all this term. So you can write here the alpha square beta square is equal to c square by a square, right? This is the very simple, guys. And you can write, after taking the LCM, you can write here the 2 alpha beta, and after taking the LCM you can write here 2 into alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to, you can write here, what will be the value? Alpha square plus beta square, and alpha square plus beta square is equal to, you can write here the minus b square minus 2ac divided by a square, guys, right? So you can directly put the values b square minus 2ac by a square, right? And after putting all these values, and you will get plus 4, right? And after taking the LCM, you will get another information, guys. A square, it will become the c square plus 2b square minus 4ac plus 4a square, right? So it is the roots, product of roots, guys. So first of all, we can use all this term, this information, product of roots and sum of roots, the values of sum of roots and the product of root, put the equation third, you will get the value, guys, right? So guys, now I am going to put the values of sum of roots and the product of roots in equation third, and after putting you will get the value, guys, right? So what is the value of sum of roots, guys? What is the value of sum of roots, guys? So you can write here sum of roots is equal to x square minus sum of roots. So sum of roots is equal to minus b square minus b square minus 2a minus 2ac minus 4a square, right? Minus 4a square divided by a square into x and the product of roots is plus, you can write here the c square plus 2b square minus 4ac plus 4a square, right? 4a square and divided by a square is equal to 0. A square is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points, guys? Okay, so after solving this equation you will get the values. Solving you will get this equation, guys. So this is the correct answer. So thank you, guys. Have a nice day.